How to use Google Meet. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Anyone with a Google account can create an online meeting with up to 100 participants and meet up for 60 minutes per meeting. So in order to use the Google Meet, you can open your browser and log in into your Google account. After this, on the URL, you can search for Google Meet. Tap on the first link, which is meet.google.com. Once you tap on it, you will land to another page, which is the home page itself. In order to create the meeting, tap on New Meeting and there are three options. That is, create a meeting for later, which will create a Meet link. Or you could also click on Start an Instant Meeting, and you also have an option to schedule in Google Calendar. You can start a meeting or start a meeting link just by tapping on any of this option. But if you already have a meeting link or is invited by some other participant, you can tap on the description box and type in the code or link that is provided to you. And this way, you'll be able to use Google Meet. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.